What's up, y'all? Y'all just got finished watching my boy B. Y'all know it's all. I mean, but we gonna jump right into the next video on my girl Fallon featuring Young Sam. Check it out.
Huh? Expression? I'm normally the quiet type, but if I was gonna try to talk to somebody, I'd probably do it like this. Yo, can I holler at you for a second? I just wanna let you know I'm feeling everything about you. I love the way you walk, the way you talk. Damn, your swagger. It's just, bro, it's just off the hook.
I'm kinda shy, you're with the guys. What should I do when I talk to you? I'm about to go, so walk real slow. Tryna give you a chance, want you to be my man.
I just wanna be with you, I can see you want me to. Baby, come and stay with me. Baby, come and stay with me. Chill with me, ride with me. Baby, you can lay with me. I just wanna be with you, I can see you want me to.
I saw the shorty on the corner about a week ago. She telling me my game is whacking, that I'm too damn weak to flow. So I let her know that I don't really fool with Dame. Then we started talking about it like that kissing game. She started talking, now she switching while she walking. Started spitting game in the air like a Walkman. So things are looking good. She telling me she from the hood. I told her I'ma make it mine. She sitting like I wish you would. She like, listen here, I got a list right here. She started telling me the things she wanna do, the shit. She wanna go to school, she plan to get a job. She want a man, but she ain't trying to get involved. But I got involved, told her to deal with me. She said I'm too dumb and young, but she feeling me. But I'm mature, ma. I'm making sure, ma, that I can give you the world and much more, ma.
I just wanna be